Well, one of the greatest challenges we're seeing at the moment that's facing the UK and all of Europe is the cost of living crisis, and in particular the energy price crisis. And a big part of this is making sure the energy efficiency of the homes we provide are as good as possible. Retrofitting the homes and improving the insulation, changing the heating systems is a major challenge across the sector at the current time, across the social housing sector. And so we're looking for examples of where this is already being done, because we're already trying to work out how to do it. And so seeing examples like this of where it's actually being done on the ground is really, really helpful, so that we can actually start driving down costs. And obviously you get the co-benefit of we're also reducing carbon emissions while we do it.